What if you could make money even while you sleep? Right now, most people are working harder than ever, but their income still depends on one thing: their time. No work, no money. But what if you could start building income streams that continue paying you even when you're not working? In this video, I'm going to show you the main passive income ideas beginners can start today, the ones that people around the world are using to build long-term income online. Think of this video as the roadmap. I'll give you the most important points and strategies you need to understand first, and after this, we'll break down each idea in separate videos where I'll show you step by step how to actually start and build them. So watch carefully, because one of these ideas could become your first real passive income stream. Number 1. Print on demand. Upload designs once, get paid every time someone buys. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products, earn commissions automatically. Number 3. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Number 4. Stock content. Every download equals passive income. Number 5. YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face. Number 6. Blogging. Rank once, earn for years. Number 7. Dividends. Let your money work for you. Number 8. AI content. AI just changed the game. Number 9. Real estate. Start small, scale smart.